Example 3.37. This is aptitude question, very important question, so listen carefully. Mother is 5 times as old as her daughter. After 2 years, the mother will be 4 times as old as her daughter. What are their present age? First of all, the mother is 5 times as old as her daughter. Yes, so we doesn't know what is her daughter's age. So let us write it as x. What about the mother age? 5 times old. So 5 times into x. 5 times is 5 into x. It can be written as 5x. Now their ages is x and 5x. After 2 years, what will happen? After 2 years, the word is given. So x plus 2 and 5x plus 2. That's all. These are all the basic thing. And what else they given? After 2 years, the mother will be 4 times as old as her daughter. Mother will be 4 times as old as her daughter. What are their present age? So this is what the important word. The mother age is equal to, after 2 years, mother age equal to 4 times old as her daughter's age. So 4 times of daughter's age after 2 years. So which column you should see? This column. After 2 years, x plus 2 and 5x plus 2 are the ages. First of all, what is given? Mother's age. So mother's age, after 2 years, the mother's age is 5x plus 2, which is equal to 4 times of daughter's age. So 4 times, what do you mean by times? Times is multiplication. So that 4 into, instead of into, we can write a bracket x plus 2. Okay, because the daughter's age is x plus 2. After 2 years, the daughter's age is x plus 2. So 4 times is 4 bracket x plus 2. Now 5x plus 2 is equal to 4, you just multiply inside. 4 into x is equal to 4x. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Now x term, variable term, you just keep it in one side, and number term, constant term, you just keep it in another one side. Very easy. 5 is bigger than 4, so you just transport the 4 to the opposite side. Always you want to transport the smallest number to the opposite side. Okay, so 5x, here this is plus 4x. If you are transporting, it will change as minus 4x is equal to 8 is there. After that, plus 2 is the smallest number. So 8 keep in this side, and plus 2 if you are transporting, it will change as minus 2. Now you just look over this variable term in one side and constant term in another one side. So 5x minus 4x is equal to 1x. It can be written as x, and 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6. What is x? X is nothing but daughter's age. So daughter age is 6 years old. What about mother's age? 5 into 6. So 5 6 are 30. So the mother age is 30. Very simple, no? Just copy in the classwork note.